Making customers happy is a serious priority for us. So when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. And it's obvious that reviews like this always make us smile, but it also serves as a reminder to us that it's imperative to provide the best service possible to our customers. We believe that our future success comes from the way we treat our customers today. Let us help you with our excellent customer service backed by our years of experience. We'd love to make you one of our happy customers too. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We are only one call away from serving you.